Hey guys, today's video is going to be a what's sold video. I don't do these videos that often. I think I should start doing them more often because I always get a good response from these videos. These sales are going to be from September 20th to October 3rd, so the past 2 weeks. And I'm going to tell you guys what I sold. Honestly, this wasn't a very good 2-week period, but I want to make this video just to show you guys, like, it's up and down. Is that the mail truck? It's the mail truck. I'm getting some goodies in the mail today. I'm so excited. I want to make this video to show you guys the ups and downs of reselling. This wasn't an amazing week for me. It wasn't a horrible week for me. It was just kind of like, yeah, okay. So in those 2 weeks, I sold 76 things. I don't know how many of them were bundles. A couple of them were bundles. 2 of them were pretty big bundles. One of them was a bundle of 25 things. That is my second biggest bundle ever. My biggest bundle ever was only one more. It was 26 things. I mean, only 26 things. But yeah, my second biggest bundle, 25 things, which was crazy. And then the next big bundle was 13 things, I believe. And then I think I had a bundle of like 2 and 3 and 4. So yeah, so let's start off with that 25 piece bundle. And it's actually, okay, I sold this on September 20th. Today is October 5th, and it's actually out for delivery today, which is crazy. It's been like lost in the mail. I don't know. But I just checked the tracking and actually just messaged the buyer and said, hey, it's out for delivery. Finally, I've been in contact with the buyer and she's been super sweet. She knows that it's not in my control. Like, it's literally been sitting at a post office, I think like 2 hours from where she lives, which is so frustrating. This took a long time, and she's getting it today, so finally. But yeah, a bundle of 25 things. I gave her an amazing deal. Amazing deal. Only $200. $200 for 25 things. I want to try to make this video quick. I don't want to go through, like, because 76 things, that's a lot of things to show. But I just want to briefly highlight some of the things from this bundle. So what did we have? We had a pair of Miss Me jeans. I'll put up a picture here. For a bunch of pink Victoria's Secret hoodies. There were some Cabby jeans, Levi's jeans, a Vineyard Vines pullover, a Columbia hoodie, H&M jeans, Juicy Couture leggings. Yeah, there were a lot in that bundle. Okay, next sale was these Kalia. I think that's hi. I just kicked my desk and my camera almost fell over. It's by Carrie Underwood. It's called Kalia. I think it's called Kalia. These are blue side scrunch crop leggings. I sold these for $16. Sold a pair of Lululemon Wonder Under full-on Luxtreme leggings. These were like a neon green type of color, and I sold these for only 30 bucks. Which I give out good deals. I really do, guys. Like 30 bucks for a pair of Lululemon leggings. And these are in really good condition too. Like that's a great deal. Okay, next sale was this. Oh, I'm not telling you guys the day. Yeah, I'm just going to go through the sales. I'm not going to tell you guys the day. Again, it's from September 20th to October 3rd. Okay, next sale was this Champion Duke sweatshirt. I custom bleached it myself. I believe my husband got this at the bins. I sold it for $18, so that's good profit because the bins paid probably like $2 for it. Okay, next was this skirt graphic long crop sleeve tee. I got this in a bundle on Poshmark. I just bought a bunch of things from this girl's closet and just added that shirt because I thought it was fun. Sold that for $12. Next item is this North Style Boho Paisley long sleeve tunic. This was actually in a bundle. I don't know if I actually ever talked about it. I bought a bundle, like, not a bundle. I bought a shit ton of clothes from another YouTuber. I'll link her channel down below. Her name is Riley Jade. She lives in my state, and she had posted on Instagram that she was like having a yard sale. I'm like, hey, I'll buy a bunch of her clothes because I really liked her style. So yeah, so I bought those from her over the summer, and this was one of the shirts, and it sold for $12. Okay, next are these Harley Davidson light wash boot cut jeans. I got these at Plato's, I believe, and they were like 90% off, so I paid like nothing for them. I sold them for $15. And I had a canceled sale. It was an LL Bean red flannel button-down shirt. I talked about this in a previous video. It was a petite size, and I had failed to notice that. The buyer noticed it on the tag. Like, I took a picture of the tag and it said small petite, and I just listed it as a small. And the buyer noticed that, and she's like, hey, if it's a petite, it's not gonna fit me. Can I cancel it? I'm like, yes, absolutely. Like, I'm not, yes, you can. Absolutely, that's my bad, sorry. But funny story, that actually sold, so she had bought it for $11, and then it actually sold like a week later to somebody else after I mentioned it in a video. So I don't know if one of you guys bought it. I don't know. I just thought that was a kind of weird coincidence. But yeah, I sold it to whoever bought it for $14. Okay, next is this super cute shirt. It was a pink Victoria's Secret sprinkled donut sleep shirt. It just had sprinkled donuts all over it. I sold that for $11. Next was a pink Victoria's Secret gray baby pink quarter zip. This was so cute. I sold this for $25. Okay, next was a bundle of 3 things. This person was definitely like going for the country vibe. So they bought this Nashville country music graphic sweatshirt, this vintage Levi's floral denim jacket, which was super cool looking, and then these wanted tribal boho boots. I gave them an amazing deal, and it was only $70 for all 3 of those things. Oh, I sold this new with tags Calvin Klein pleated faux leather skirt for $20. I got that in my Honcho, was it my Honcho wholesale box? I don't remember, but I got it for free. So yeah, so that was 100% profit. Sold that for $20. Oh, the bundle of 13 things. I gave this person an amazing deal. It was only $130 for 13 things. So this person liked stripes, I think, because 1, 2, 3, 4 of the things had stripes. Kind of like a preppy, like nautical vibe going on. So this Gap sweatshirt, this Loft t-shirt, 2 Loft shirts, Victoria's Secret hoodie, or a bunch of Victoria's Secret hoodies, Banana Republic shirt, yeah, a bunch of Victoria's Secret hoodies actually, and then this Altered State tank top. So again, 13 items for $130, really good deal. And then I sold this bundle to one of my PFFs. Shout out to a Posh principal. I will link her Poshmark closet down below, but she messaged me, and I guess it was her daughter's birthday, and she said that she wanted to buy stuff for my closet because she knew I'd give her a deal, and I did. I gave her a deal. She bought 4 things for $60. This really cute Abercrombie sequin logo crew neck, a new with tags Champion crew neck, super cute, another Champion sweatshirt, and then a North Face hoodie. I sold a bunch of jeans, these American Eagle high-rise jeans for $15, these Express jeans for $18. These Express jeans were my own jeans. I had them in my closet for so long, and I love them. They're super comfortable, but I'm like, you know what? I haven't worn them in a little while. I'm just going to sell them. J-brand tie-dye skinny jeans. I wanted to get more, but somebody sent me a $20 offer, and I think I got these like last summer. I don't remember when I got these. I'd have to look on my spreadsheet. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to get rid of them, so I took the $20 offer. Another bundle, I sold this Coach pink and white small leather wristlet and this marble print scarf. Both of those for $38. These American Eagle high-rise festival denim jean shorts for $24. Those are really, really good shorts to pick up. I sold these 2 Maine hoodies. This one is a just State of Maine logo hoodie. I sold it for $13. And then this is a vintage hoodie. Moosehead Lake, Maine. I sold that one for $24. And then the last thing I'm going to talk about sold within 3 hours. I was like, holy shit balls. I actually got it over the weekend. I went sourcing and I saw this and I was like, this is different. I'm going to pick it up. It's a pair of cabbie leggings, but it had a skirt over it. So I don't know what do you call that? It's not a skirt because they're pants. So I don't know. I don't know. What do you call it? I called it cabbie black skirt over leggings. Sold full asking price for $40 within 3 hours of listing it. I'm like, okay. So I'm going to stop here because this video is already kind of long. That wasn't all my sales. I just wanted to highlight a few of them. But yeah, comment down below and let me know if you like these type of videos. Like I said, I always get a good response, so I think that you guys like them. If you guys are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.